380 species in genus Stachys. My fascination with Stachys, a world of lambs, ears, and betony. I've always been drawn to the unassuming beauty of the plant world. While roses and lilies command attention with their vibrant colors and heady scents, I find myself captivated by the subtle charm of plants like those in the genus Stachys. Perhaps it's their understated elegance, their resilience, or the sheer diversity within this fascinating group that holds my interest. Whatever the reason, I find myself continually drawn into their world, eager to learn more about each species and their unique characteristics. Stachys, a member of the mint family, Lamiaceae, is a large genus encompassing roughly 380 species. These plants are incredibly diverse, ranging from herbaceous perennials to shrubs, and can be found in a variety of habitats across the globe. They're often characterized by their square stems, opposite leaves, and two-lipped flowers that bloom in a range of colors, including purple, pink, red, and white. A closer look at some Stachys species. The sheer variety within the Stachys genus is truly remarkable. See full list at monsteraholic.com. The appeal of Stachys. What is it about Stachys that I find so compelling? Perhaps it's their resilience. Many species thrive in challenging conditions, tolerating drought, poor soil, and even neglect. This hardiness makes them a welcome addition to any garden, providing beauty and interest with minimal fuss. Or maybe it's their versatility. From the striking architectural form of big betony to the ground-hugging carpet of lamb's ears, Stachys offers a diverse range of forms and textures that can enhance any landscape. They can be used as border plants, ground covers, or even in rock gardens. And let's not forget the culinary uses of species like Chinese artichoke, which adds a unique dimension to this fascinating genus. Beyond their aesthetic and practical value, I'm also intrigued by the historical and cultural significance of Stachys. Wood betony, for example, has a rich history of use in traditional medicine, and its association with folklore and ancient beliefs adds a layer of mystique to this intriguing plant. Continuing the exploration. My journey with Stachys is far from over. I'm eager to continue exploring this diverse genus, learning more about its individual species, their unique properties, and their potential benefits. Whether I'm admiring the velvety texture of lamb's ears, marveling at the vibrant blooms of big betony, or delving into the historical uses of wood betony, I know that there's always something new to discover in the world of Stachys. This exploration is not just about expanding my own knowledge. It's about appreciating the intricate beauty and complexity of the natural world. Stachys, with its diverse forms, resilience, and historical significance, serves as a reminder of the wonders that can be found in even the most unassuming of plants.